YouTube playlist. How to make YouTube playlist, I will tell you in this video. How to make YouTube playlist for beginners. Of course, this video is best for beginners. In my laptop screen, I will show you how to make YouTube playlist. But if you are doing with your mobile, so I will make another video on it. But today we will cover with the laptop screen. Let's begin to the benefits of YouTube playlist. The benefits of YouTube playlist is, from YouTube playlist, you can grow your YouTube channel. Want to grow YouTube channel? YouTube playlist is best for you. Watch this video till end. You can subscribe to our channel and you can hit the bell icon to get our views. Notification to you, no drama, no studies, yes only creativity and knowledge. So let's begin. And so hi guys, this is Arman and welcome back to InformationZone YouTube channel. Let's begin to our laptop screen. Channel dashboard and click playlist. You will get option for new playlist. Click on it. Give title for your playlist. I will give here study related videos. Here you can select visibility, public, private or unlisted. So I will keep over here public. Click create option. Now our playlist is created, but in our playlist we didn't add any video. Edit on YouTube we will click. It will take us on the new page. Three dot button. Click this three dot button. Add videos. Collaborate. Playlist settings. Delete playlist. I will click here add videos. So you can search any video, you can paste URL or you can add your videos. So I will add my videos. Aquatic plant, largest and smallest numbers in maths, plants, addition. Okay, these videos I add. After that, I will add this video, learn about English, and click add videos. It will refresh, and which we select videos, that videos are here added. And total 6 videos you can share. You can share to Facebook, Twitter, email, Talk, Reddit, or you can share to Pinterest. You can copy link, you can paste, you can type in a description. Okay, you can do shuffle play. Close this. After 3 hours, our videos will be added in the playlist. But no problem. Let me check now in my mobile the videos are added or not. Here in your dashboard the videos will not add, but in your main YouTube channel the videos will be added. Okay, I will show you live proof. No problem, I will show you live proof over here. I will your channel playlist. Okay, you can see I create playlist study related videos, and that 6 videos we select that are added in the playlist. Okay, but in your dashboard it will take some time. You can refresh. So this is our tutorial that how to make YouTube playlist. In YouTube there are so many creators, they don't know how to make YouTube playlist. That's why I made this video. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to watch more informative videos and informative tutorial. Meet you next amazing content.